Hey guys, this is the tutorial for Lego Cannon Machine version 18. So let's get started. Okay, so what you want to get is a 6x6 base plate, and then place 2x6 thick bricks. And place 1x4 smooth right here and 1x1 smooth right here. So you can pause the video right now. Okay, so let's get started. So first what you want to do is get 1x2, so right here. 2x3, 2x3, 1x2, 2x2, 1x2, 1x2. So you can pause the video right now. Okay, and place it right here, like that. Okay, next, get a 1x6, place it right here, and then make the mechanism. Really easy, 4x4, and those. Get your machine and place it like this. Okay, get a 1x6, place it on top of the mechanism. 1x1, 1x2, another 1x2. Okay. 1x4, 1x1, okay, 1x1, 1x2, 2x2, 1x6, and a 1x4. And that's it. So you just need to top it off with a 6x6. And there you go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed, and bye.